What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Once in a lifetime opportunity, guys, to build wealth. Fourth quarter 2025 is going to be pretty special in my opinion. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing his opinion about building wealth. My recommendation is go out and do your own independent research before you make any investments. If you're not comfortable making your own investments, go get yourself some licensed financial advisor advice. I still believe, guys, that Q4 2025 is going to be mega. And here's why. On September 17th, you got the Federal Reserve meeting. And it's highly anticipated that the Federal Reserve will reduce interest rates by 25 basis points. Now, today, we got the CPI inflation report for August 2025. And it shows that our labor market is continuing to weaken. So therefore, a lot of experts are starting to say the Fed may decrease interest rates by 50 basis points, which in my opinion is a game changer because I've always told you guys, when interest rates come down, assets go up. I also want you to look at the 10-year Treasury yield. If it gets anywhere near 3%, then I think that's going to be a clear indicator to investors to keep doing what they're doing, which is doubling down. Now, all of this is just my opinion. I go out and do my little research and I share it with you guys. Again, go out and do your own independent research so you can come up with your conclusion. But my conclusion is this. I'm looking for at least a 25 basis point rate cut on September 17th. I think the markets already have that priced in because if you're paying attention to the stock market today, again, all three major indexes, intraday, all-time highs. So I think they got the 25 basis points already priced in. I don't think we get an additional bump because of that. But if the Fed comes out and surprises us with a 50 basis point rate cut, then I think we continue on. Now, you got experts out there that believe the S&P 500 has an opportunity to go to 7,000 points by the end of the year. I don't know if that's true or not. Right now, it's really close to 6,600 points. So, I mean, yeah, it could, guys. But then again, it could go the other direction. So we just have to see how this thing plays out. But it looks as though there's a lot of momentum. There's a lot of tailwinds supporting the market going higher. I was also looking at an article yesterday where it was saying that some of your options traders are starting to bet on the stock market right now, which is pretty good. Options traders, they're not betting against it, they're betting on it. So if that's true, that's more opportunity for investors to come in and do what? Continue buying. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, though. I'm going to go ahead and keep earning, right? I'm going to go ahead and take this money that I earn, and I'm going to continue executing my two investment strategies, which is my short-term investment strategy where I go into the market every day and I look for opportunities and fluctuations in stock prices, and I try to make FCF, which is free cash flow. And then I got my dollar cost average, long-term wealth building strategy, where on the 15th of every month, I dollar cost average into my favorite ETFs and my favorite individual stocks. For you guys that rock with me on the Wealth Builders Financial Community and have been rocking with me on my YouTube channel, you guys know that my Wealth Transfer Blueprint 1.0 is my main long-term strategy, but I also have a Wealth Transfer Blueprint 2.0, which is my second long-term investment strategy. And then, of course, I got the FCF, the free cash flow short-term investment strategy. So I'm going to keep executing those strategies throughout 2025. I think it's going to be a monster 2025 fourth quarter. That's my opinion. I have no proof of that, but I'm just giving you my opinion just because of the rate cuts, the weakening labor market, inflation is staying steady, not really drastically going up. So the Fed doesn't have to really worry about that. They can concentrate on the weakening labor market, and the way they do that and the way they stimulate the labor market and the way they stimulate the economy is by reducing interest rates, which in my opinion introduces a new money supply to our economy. Why? Because anytime people can borrow money cheaper than they can today, then they go ahead and borrow the money. And if they're smart, they take that money and they do what with it? They put it in assets. Why? Because when rates go down, assets go up. Drop me your comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about the remainder of 2025, fourth quarter. Will it be a rally or will it be a dip? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know how you guys think the rest of this year is going to turn out. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Moo is going to give you some NVIDIA stock when you open up a new Moo brokerage account and make a deposit. All you got to do is get down to the first link in the description box. That's the Moo brokerage link. Click on it and get all the details on how you can get some NVIDIA stock. Don't delay, act today. Second link down in the description box is the Wealth Builders Financial Community on Patreon. Guys, all we do in that community is help each other build wealth, get to financial freedom, and passive income. If you want to be a part of our team, all you got to do is click on that second link. It'll take you over to Patreon, and then come sign up for the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'll call the Wealth Builders. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.